What's up peeps, Larsa here again, back with another video. What I've got for you today is a Mirror Dashcam MC100 1080p front view VGR review dashcam made by DuDuBell. Yeah, I know. Anyway, let's see what we got. We've got HDR, motion detection, loop recording, parking monitor, and the gravity sensor. And the key features are 1080p front view, 24-hour loop recording, 170-degree wide angle, and 4.3-inch LCD screen. Let's see what we got in the box. Here is your rear view dashcam. This fits over your existing rear view in your car, and as you can just see there, once you plug that into the cigarette lighter, that's where the image, or you're driving along the street, that's what you'll see right there. Turn it on the other side. You'll see the camera. This is adjustable, so you can position it anywhere. Make sure it's lined up correctly on the road. These things here, they have these elastic bands which fit over your rear view. And as you can see underneath, pick it up right there, you've got some controls underneath there, and your symbols right there. All self-explanatory. Let's see what we've got in the box. You've got your instructions, Mirror Dashcam MC100. The contents, English, Dutch and Japanese, it looks like. Nice and clear instructions, pretty self-explanatory. Supports a TF card, which is, you know, those micro SD cards you put in your phones and your music players, etc. Tells you the fitting instructions. It also has a rear view camera, a reversing camera. And the interface is touchscreen interface. Main interface, the recorder, camera, and the playback features. A setup menu, more product detail, camera setting menu, etc. All self-explanatory. And then what we have here, this is your cigarette lighter, your power lead, micro USB that goes into the back. You can see that lead fits right into there. And what else have we got here? Let's have a look. This is your reversing camera. That also fits into right there. And then this red lead here, you connect that red lead. You connect this red lead here up to your reversing light in your car, and anytime you switch your car into reverse, up comes a smaller screen in this section right here. I don't think I'll fit that, I'm not sure, because I already have a reversing sensors in my car already, so I'm not sure. I might fit it up and see if it works. Another USB to micro USB cable. And these are your elastics, little fasteners that hook on like so, and then they hook around your rear view mirror to keep it in place. You also get a little cleaning cloth, and this is a sticker or a little guide for fitting your rear view mirror, your rear camera. A couple of 3 screws there. You also get some cable ties. Some cable ties. Oops. Some cable ties. And this little nifty little thing here is your trim remover, so you can put your trim apart inside your car and hide your wires. Very good. You can get this from Amazon for $29.99. So far the contents looks really good, looks promising. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll fit next time you see this will be installed in my car, and you'll see, we go through the features and see how well this performs. Oh yes, I forgot, there's actually a screen protector on here, as you can see. That'll be off when it's excellent. So here we have the dash cam installed, as you can see. I can show you just how it's been installed. If you look under here, you'll see these little plastic clips. Excuse the shaky camera. And then you just lift the dash cam off. That's how it's attached. Yeah. And you can see this is your power lead, and you can see this is your power lead, and that's that lead there that goes to the rear camera, which is, and how it's wired, it's up under the trim, along the trim, down the side of the screen, down the door, and all the way to the back of the car, and up into the roof pillar, and along to the rear camera. Right, I'm going to show you some settings now of this dash cam. So when we start the car up, you'll see the welcome screen. Okay, and there we have the welcome screen. And initially on startup, it will start recording, as you can see there. So to go through the settings, first you have to manually stop the recording, and this is all touchscreen, by the way. Touchscreen. There. And then we'll go to the home button, and then move through to the settings. So the first one is, settings. So we have resolution, which is 1080p, 720 VGA. Leave it on 1080p. Loop recording, you want that. So when the memory card is full, it will just rewrite. So I've left it, you got off 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I've got it on 3 minutes. Exposure, just leave that at 0 just as the default. Motion detection, put that on, so when the car starts moving or stuff like that, it will just record. Audio, now that's if you want to record voices inside the car or music or anything like that, as well as filming outside. I've selected off because I don't really want to hear that. I just want to record what's going on outside. Done that. Enhanced night vision, yes, put that on. Date stamp, now that's anytime you upload the file, it'll have the date stamped and the actual file itself, which is very handy if you need it proving the time of the accident, etc. So leave that on. Gravity sensor off, high, medium and low. I think not too clear in the book, but I think that's just the sensitivity if you get into an accident. So I've just had it on medium. And parking monitor, again the same thing, that's off. I will put that on in case someone hits the car when you're not there. If someone nudges the car, hits the car, the dash cam will automatically start recording and save the file. So put that on, so on. And then we go to the camera settings, the capture mode and the camera settings. You can have single shooting, 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So it will take a picture for 2 seconds, it'll take a picture for 5 seconds and take a picture for 10 seconds, or you've just got a single shot. I've just got on single shot. Resolution 1M, 2M, 3M. The default is 1M, so I've just left it at that. Continuous shooting, on or off. You can just hold your finger on the camera button underneath and it will just continue shooting. I've just got it on off. Quality, normal, fine, normal or economy. I've selected normal. Sharpness, normal again, or you can have it strong or you can have it soft. White balance, leave on auto, let the dash cam camera do its stuff. And the exposure, again, leave that at 0. Anti-shaking, put that select on so that your images are quite sharp. And the date stamp, again, same thing as before, that's on. So back to home, and then you can do the recorder. And this button here, this is for your toggling between your front camera and your rear camera. So if you press that button, that shows your rear camera and your front camera. And if you press it again, it shows your front camera. Press it once more time, it's your rear camera. And press it once more back to front and rear. This is your lock. In case you see something, record something, you want to press it, you press that button, it'll lock the file automatically. So back to home. Settings again. Settings down here, and then date and time. Now this part had me baffled for a while, selecting how you change the date and time. Now you need to press the top or the bottom of the grey bars to move up or down the corresponding figures. So for instance, 2019, if you wanted to move for 2020, don't know why you would want to do that, but just in case you do, you press the top there and it'll jump to 2020. To go down a year, press the button, and then a year again, press the button, and so on. Same with the month, same with the day, same with the hour, the minutes and the seconds. And once you set all that up, you just press OK and it's done. And you auto power off. When you turn the engine off, it's off, so it means it'll just stay off for it'll take 1 minute to switch itself off, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I've selected just off from there. The beep sound, now this one, depending on your preference, I've selected off because I'll just show you. If you put it on, every time you do that, annoying. So it's off. The beep sound is off. So select off. The language, self-explanatory, whatever country you're in. English for over here. TV mode, PAL. In the UK it's PAL. Press PAL. Frequency, again 50 Hz for the UK. Format, now this means if you want to delete all your files. So it says delete all data, cancel all, OK. So I got some files on there I want to keep, so I'm just going to cancel, I'm not going to delete that. The screensaver, I've got it to off. You can have 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes after you switch the car off. Default setting, restore to default, that sets it to factory settings. Then you'll have to go through all the setup again. So now we'll cancel that. And the version. Don't need to do any of that either. So back to the home screen, and then you got Playback. Now these are the files I've got in there. Now you can press play, you can go through all your files. And as you can see, it will play the file, and you can speed it up, pause it, and skip to the next file, and so on and so forth. And the picture quality is quite good, as you can see. Excellent picture, 1080p, so you can't complain. Back to, and if you wanted to delete a file, you just press the bin. It says delete current, delete all, or cancel. Depending on what you want to do, let's cancel that for the moment. Back to the home screen. That's your mute button. I've not figured out what to do with that. I assume that's if you speaking in the car and you want to mute the voice, you press that. I've not tried that yet, so I'm not sure what that does. And then again, this is your lock. If you're wanting to lock any of the files, that's what you press. So all in all, folks, this is an excellent dash cam. I've been testing it for a few days now, and I've had no complaints whatsoever. So if you want to pick yourself up one of these, I'll put a link at the bottom. Amazon, $29.99, free postage. And for watching, guys.